So I had forgotten Irish. I went away, I went abroad, and I had forgotten it. And I just kind of realized now the importance of learning your own language when you see every other country speaking their language, and then you come to Ireland and it's not really very fixed there.
I started in the culture land because I'd heard people talk about it, and I'd gone in for a cup of tea, and I really enjoyed the courses.
I Hawaii had ik me tweets over een cultuurland. Gedoe na Ranganna linie, learning and Jean Glassera. Agus fi an costas gehana reasonable.
I like the cultural land classes because I think they're very much directed at the adult learner. I don't know, maybe people just need to be more patient with the adult learner.
I live in Wales, which is a long way from Belfast, but online I could be there with you, and it was great.
Just vi ser an like crack a spragus na Ranganna and he like few nerd damage like Jira really or cursey grammarly like.
There's a great camaraderie there, and people are very supportive, and they'll try to help you. I mean, I sort of feel that I'm embarrassed about speaking it because I feel that I murder it, but you know, people are very tolerant of mistakes, and you know, that's you know, they're very encouraging.
The teachers are relaxed. The teachers know their stuff. They're professional. They structure the classes, but it's like they say, well, look, it's okay to make mistakes if you're going to on being to a glóch as Gaeilge bé man coga on agus tashin ceart galore.
Vi mask intawai idir ag fálan faoi gramadach córa Ranganna agus na Gaeltachtaí na hÉireann agus le béim le faoi Gaeltach Béal Feiriste darnái.
What was great about it is the encouragement which the teacher and other people gave to you, and the confidence they gave to you in using just as much Irish as you had.
I'll be 60 in January coming, and I think like you can still learn. I have learned a lot, and it's very good for me as well. I never even mentioned that. It's very good, and I found it, and now when I worry about forgetting things, I thought, well, I'm still able to learn, so that's good.
Bhí mé rudbug nervous bhí Cineal Fatius orm och you're a hussy on Rang, just the atmosphere, jazz, the idea that speak, it's okay to make a mistake and you don't have to be perfect.
That's the only way to learn. If you want to learn Irish, you have to go to a class and you have to share the experience with other people. And everybody there is doing the same as you. They want you to learn Irish and they want you to do well.
And you become alive when you hear it, and when you speak it, it's a really different thing to speak your own language.
Seamus Heaney has some great things to say about why we should have Irish, and I certainly have found that even since starting it again. And it's lovely for me now to understand Irish, and when I see signs in the Gaeltacht and when I see things in the paper, I know what they mean, and I feel that, and I understand where so much of our own language comes from, and even our accents.
To do with history, to do with culture. It's a good social thing too. You meet lots of like-minded people.
I mean, it's just put in our sale, Teistiméireachtaí Gaeilge, bring out Jean.
Once you started, perhaps you'll never finish, because you'll always want to learn more about Irish, and there's always more to learn about the language.